Good evening, all. Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, many of you didn't join. Just a minute. Wait a minute. Yes. Good evening, all. And how was your yesterday's test? How was your paper?
Good evening, sir.
Good
Sir, it was
evening,
easy.
sir.
Hmm?
Sir, it was easy.
It was easy. So, like, how can you check the marks? Like,
Yeah. Today I'll be after this class. If you have any doubts, so if any changes, I'll make it today itself. That is why I didn't post. Otherwise, I would have posted your results. So every week I'll post on Monday. Maximum 99% I'll post on Monday only. So that's why. So if you have any doubts from the question paper, any mistakes from the question
Sir.
paper, yes.
Sir, sir, actually my WhatsApp is not working, sir, yesterday.
Why?
Sir, I wrote the exam, sir. I tried from different devices to submit my paper, sir. It was not working at all.
It
At
happens.
last,
It happens every time with you only. Why, Devika? I mean,
sir, actually, this is the first time for me, sir.
what first time? Like whenever you write the test, like it says that automatically it's submitted. It is not working. I get this type of things only from your side. Don't know why. Like it's a mistake from the device side or a mistake from you. I don't know. Yeah, please you just approach Rahul sir and just get corrected with that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you have attempted the test.
Yes, sir, I have attempted my test, sir.
Okay. So then did you submit your test?
Yes, sir, at last I submitted my test, sir.
Fine. So you submitted, you got results, you didn't get the result.
Yes, sir, I got the result, but my what options I selected, they went wrong, sir. Like they jumbled, sir.
I didn't get you. Options or jumbled?
Sir, I selected some options and it took some options, sir.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
Acha, acha,
After
acha.
using different devices, I cleared the paper and I did 3-4 times, sir, and it took wrong option, sir.
Is it happened with everyone? Hello. Children.
it happened once with
Sorry.
me.
So I said to my father, sir, that it's not working. He said it must be computer problem, and I tried with my tab. It did not come, and I tried with my mom's phone. It came, sir.
Fine. I'll check to, I'll check with Rahul sir and just to inform Rahul sir as well. I'll just go to know. But yes, they was very good actually. You have tried with the 3 different devices. Happy for that. So see, don't keep quiet with a single, after trying with a single device. If it is not working, go for other device. You'll be having mom's or dad's phone, or at least like if you have laptops or if you have device, you can join through anything. If you are trying with the mobile phone, if your dad's phone is not well, like if you're not getting submitted with your dad's mobile, then go with mom's phone or some other device. Try something. You can't like my dad's phone is not coming, so I mean I'm not going to write the test. So that shouldn't be the case actually. That's
So
very
yes, sir.
good.
I gave my devices to the update, sir. I got it right now. So it won't happen again, sir. I won't repeat this again.
Yes, very good. So make sure that if you're not trying with if you're not getting with one device, make sure that you're trying with some other device. But you must write the test. Try to write the test. And if you
Okay,
have any
sir.
doubts from not only you, I'm saying everyone. Otherwise, so okay. So guys, look at this here. So if you have any doubts, we'll discuss that question paper. If not, straight away we'll go for the questions of probability. Probability we have done almost, or not almost, we have done fully. You don't have anything there. We have solved all sort of questions. And if I'm not wrong, I have given you a worksheet. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have given a worksheet on probability actually. Please go and solve every day. Okay, so that's it from probability. So yeah, any doubts from the probability?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, I heard. I think Mohit, you were like that day you attempted the quiz, but why didn't you get the result?
I don't know, sir. There was some problem with the quiz. He didn't load my thing properly.
Acha, see, many look at this here. The students who are presenting, or like those who are writing the test, quiz. Please give your name. If you are giving it to some other name, I'll throw you outside. Very simple. Make sure that you are writing with your name. Don't give some other name and don't make it confused. There was such a lot of confusion. I don't know who is that. I don't know who is making that. Yes, Bhargav, these many days Bhargav, he was giving a name called boss. So Bhargav is not
Sir,
repeating.
no, sir. I gave only one time, sir.
Wait, Bhargav. See, you're not repeating, fine with that. So 1-2 times is enough, but don't repeat the same thing again. The mathematics is great. Okay, I don't know who gave that name. Yeah, that might be some other guy who was
I guess Tayyaba.
whoever Tayyaba, whoever whoever XYZ student, please give your name. Don't give your father name. Don't give your mother name. Give your name, please, so that we can identify. We will not be able to identify. We will not be able to identify with your father names, right? So if you are giving your father name, mobile name, how come I understand that who wrote the test actually? I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Is it clear? Like if I'm writing with my father name, would you understand Suresh sir is writing test? I'm giving you my father name. Will you understand? Do you know my father's name here? You can't know, right? You don't know that, right? And how come you understand that Suresh sir has written the test? I'm giving an example. It's not possible, right? So it's a very difficult process. We keep getting the messages from the parent, and if you're giving some other name, it's a very difficult process. Try understand everyone, and just please be supportive. We are giving 110%. We are also expecting the cooperation from your side. Cooperation in the sense not only writing your name. That is not. I don't believe that is the only thing where you can cooperate to the faculty. So cooperation in the sense you have to cooperation in the sense whatever I'm giving here. Yes, Piyush, I'll just clarify that. Yeah, cooperation in the sense you must go through your mistakes. Number one. Number two is whatever the homework I'm giving, you need to finish that. Number three is every test you must write. You should not bunk at any cost. Whatever the thing you have, you should not wait. Until and unless you have some emergency case, until and unless there is an unavoidable situation. In that case, we can we can excuse. But the simple reason I'm going out, I'm going there here. There's a 1 hour of test. You have 24 hours in a day, right? So always the test is alive for 12 hours. In the 12 hours, if you're missing out that, if you're missing out anything, this try to invest I don't think so many of you write full 1 hour test. It is just you'll I know that many of you will finish within half an hour, sometimes 20 minutes as well, sometimes half an hour, 40 minutes maximum. I don't think so many every one of you write 60 minutes proper test. I don't think so. And that thing also, in that case also, many of you are not writing the test. I've been watching at that. So let's see how many of you wrote the test yesterday. Can you please raise your hands? And how many of you didn't write? Yes, please. How many of you did not write the test? They can write. They can raise their hand. People who did not write the test.
Sir, who did not or who did?
Yeah, who did not write the test? Let them raise their hand. Kaji, why Kaji?
Sir, because I was not available, sir.
You was not available for what? For test, you was not available. For what was the reason behind not available? What was the
Sir,
reason behind
actually,
not
they were-
being available for the exam? Huh? Yes, please.
Sir, I'm sorry, sir, but sir, I every day means every time I wrote, but this
No. Look at
time,
this
sir,
here.
because of
Yes,
some
yes. Okay, Kazi, but I'm telling every one of you here, There is a clear cut statement I have given multiple times, not 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Many times I have given that if you are missing out a test, or if you are missing out a class, or if you are missing out anything which I'm just giving to you, let's say I'm asking you to finish the worksheet by today. If you are not able to finish by today, at least drop a message, at least post a message to Manoj sir, at least post a message to me first. If I'm not available, if I'm in offline mode, if I'm not available, then you can, like, maximum 99.99% I'll be available. If you text me immediately within 1 or 2 minutes, I'll respond to the message. Not only you, anyone's message, like class 11 or 10 at you, or whatever your senior message me, like I respond immediately. Maximum 99.99% of time, so I'll respond immediately. I don't make it delay actually, until and unless I have some other work, but I don't make it delay. So just try, just post a message to me. Why not? Why can't you post a message to me? Tell me. This time, if you're missing out a class, if you're missing out an exam, or if you're missing,
Sir, I don't
1 second,
have
Gaji.
your number.
1 second, Gaji. Fine. You don't have my number. You can't say you don't have my number. You have, you are in class 9th WhatsApp group, right?
Yes, sir.
In that group, my number will be clearly available with my name. It did not say that I didn't give any other some name that some other rock star gives. I didn't give I gave proper my name, Suresh. That's it. You can identify my number easily.
Okay,
It
sir.
starts with a 70.
I'll check.
You can't check. It's been like a year, almost. It's been a year. You are saying that I'll check now. When will you check? You are so irresponsible, Kazi. You can't be like this, please. You can't be like this. I'm telling you. You can't be this much irresponsible. I'm telling you. Every one of you here. Please try understand this. So hereafter, if you are texting me in WhatsApp, that if you're missing out a class, make sure that that message comes from your parent, not from you. Make sure that that message comes from your parent. I heard that many of you, what they are doing, you are texting like your parent. Hello sir, this is XYZ student's mother, father, something like that. You message and just put a message down. Don't be please be genuine, guys. Please genuine. I don't understand. I don't identify. Don't think that I can't identify that whether you are texting or your father texting or your mother texting. Many of you are doing that. I don't know. I heard that actually. I got to know that. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. If you are not available, please make sure your mother or father texting me that because of this, the reason, because of this reason, my child is not available. Let your parent drop a message. Let me ask a reason behind that. Then you will be able to attend. Simply, guys, many times your parents might be busy. You're not available with that. All right. Please. Clear? Hope it is clear with everyone. Every one of you.
Sir, my parents will be like, sir will trust you. Just go ahead and message sir and all these things.
Sir will trust.
So
No, yeah, I can trust. I can trust. I can trust every one of you. I'm not saying that I won't trust any one of you. I will definitely trust every one of you. But make sure that if it is coming from your parent, it would be so effective actually. You understand? There is no point of there is no point that
yes, sir.
I will not trust you. See, I'm not saying I will not trust you. I didn't trust you. I'm not saying that. I definitely trust every one of you here. But if it is coming from your parent officially, that there will be effective a process. There will be effective thing if you make sure your parent is texting to me. Yes, hope it is clear with every one of you. Clear? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. So we'll go with the question now. Question paper discussion. Tell me, Piyush.
Sir, question 8, I have a doubt, sir. Sir, this one I feel it's a bit controversial because since only one dice is there, shouldn't it be like 1/6 for each of them?
1 second.
Yeah, so even I have the same doubt for the 8th question.
Yeah. 1 second. Let me check. 8th one.
Yes, sir.
See, look at this. Answer should be C here. You understand?
Sir, I did not share your screen.
Oh, I'm not sure this.
No, sir, I mean, like logically speaking, if there's only one dice, so only one face will be on the top, right? So it cannot always be 1 and 5, right?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Probability of getting 1 is what? 1 by 6. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Probability of getting 5 is what? 1 by 6. So 1 by
1 by
6 plus 1
6.
by 6, 2 by 6. So which gives you 1 by 3. All right. Clear?
No, sir. I mean, like only once at a time will happen, right? So it should be 1 by 6, right?
No, how come it is? He's asking about two different numbers here. He's
Sir,
asking.
if the question is 1 or 5, that would make much sense.
Sorry, the question. Ha. Achha, how many of you wrote this question correctly and how many of you
Sir,
didn't attempt it?
50-50, sir. Half of the class half of the class made it wrong, half of the class made it correct.
Yes, who did this correctly? Can you please raise your hand? Can you please raise your hand? Yes.
Ma'am, sir, which one?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, so the answer is 1 by 3.
I mean, the 8th one, how many of you done this correctly?
Sir, which question, sir?
8th one, I'm saying number, right? 8th one, enemido number. 8th number.
Sir?
Yes, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir,
sir.
we can hear you.
Yes, Bhargav,
Yes,
tell
sir, we
me,
can.
what is the problem, Bhargav?
Sir, like which question?
I'm saying it's 8th one, 8th question. I think you can't hear me. Can you hear me, Bhargav? Hello? Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
sir.
from
sir.
from my side, I think
Yes,
there was
sir.
a problem. Yeah, I lost the power and I had to connect to the mobile data again. The power came actually, so it disconnected in between. Yes, what is his name? Bhargav. Yes, tell me, Bhargav.
Sir, which question, sir? Like your voice was breaking for me, so I wasn't able to hear you. So which question was that?
8th one.
Oh, 8th one.
Yeah. So yeah, there should be or actually there should be or so that it would be a correct question. So it shouldn't be and actually. If it is or, it would be a more appropriate question and
Yes,
effective
sir.
question. Yeah. So what did you write the option? What option you gave actually? Option A.
Sir, I wrote 1 by 3.
Sir, I
but
didn't
was
attempt it,
indeed
sir.
I wrote
confused.
1 by 3.
Sir, I didn't attempt it, sir. Like I thought if it's and, so like we have to calculate it like 2 by 6. So I wasn't sure, sir.
Excuse me, sir, did you share the screen?
I am not writing anything.
No, sir, didn't.
Look, I'm not
Okay.
writing anything. So no worries.
Yes, okay.
Huh. Tell me, how many of you did the question correctly? How many of you attempted it with the fluke?
Sir, I didn't attempt it.
Sir, I got it right.
Sir, it's 1 by 3 only, right?
Yeah, 1 by 3 only.
I got
it. Yeah.
Yeah, there should be or.
So technically, both of them are correct.
Sorry,
So
technically
technically, it can be like both of them.
both of them. Which one? Huh.
So 1 by 6
Yeah, 1
or
by 1 by 6 and 1 by 6. Look at this. If I have only one, the die is thrown. So the probability of getting 1 is 1 by 6. Probability of getting 5 is 1 by 6. All right. So if he is asking or, So whenever you look at this here, whenever he's asking about or, then you must add that both things. Okay. There should be or actually. There should be or, then it would have been proper, correct, proper question.
Yes, that's
So,
what I
yeah,
was.
yeah. I understand. I'll give a mark to every one of you. So those who I'll give a mark every one of you. No worries. Okay. When you lose, like a mark from that, I'll just add a marks to everyone. Okay. Those who got like 100%, I'll not add for them. I can't like give 84 marks for you. Okay. So those who got 100%, like I'll not add. Those who lost, for them, I'll check the question. So please, can you please raise your hand? How many of you did not attempt that? Those who have attempted and not got correct. Those who got
Sir, like I didn't attempt it.
yeah,
Like I attempted, but I did the C option.
yeah, you give C
That is
option.
correct.
That is correct actually, Piyush.
No, sir, I meant, okay, what is the option? Okay, yeah.
Option C is correct. I'm saying
Sir,
that
I gave option A, sir. Sorry, I'm saying option C, sorry.
yeah.
Sir,
Option
even
A
I
is-
give option A, sir.
See, those who gave option A, I'm just telling you to raise your hand. Those who have gave option A and those who not attempted, please raise your hands. Who gave option A and not attempted? Those who have attempted option A and not gave an option.
So like those who did it wrong and those who did not. I mean those who did not attempt.
That's what I'm saying. Not attempted and people who gave option A. Raise your hands. Only 4: Aditi, Piyush, Mohit, Harini. Aditi, Piyush, Mohit, Harini, Bhargav. Only 4. What about others?
Sir, 5.
Yeah, only 5. Chalo, I'll give marks to these guys. So rest of the people will, will be with the same mark. Okay. Chalo. So apart from that, anything else?
No, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Yes, tell me. Apart from that, anything else? Make it fast so that we'll go for the next new
No, sir.
topic. Okay. Chalo.
Sir, the chapter is so short.
One member, Sujay, either Sujay or Kavya, please. Yes, Kavya.
So like we are done with the portion, right?
Yeah.
So we didn't do constructions, right?
Construction. We left with construction. We'll go ahead with that. What about others? Yes, Sujay, you were asking something.
Sir, are we already done with probability?
You have already done with the probability.
No, sir, I'm telling we are done with the chapter probability.
Yes, that's very like a simple topic, and whatever syllabus is there, we have done with that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, see, done with means like explanation part and solving the question related to the topic, it has been done. Now, whether like probability is done from your side or not, you have to test yourself. You have to ask the questions to yourself. You understand what I'm trying to say here? From my side, the explanation of concepts, giving the example related examples, and just giving each and every technical term related.
Bangaru.
Oh, Bangaru.
Sorry.
Look at this here. All right. So Sujay, that is what. So writing everything and solving the questions is in your hand right now. So I have given like enough problems to you. Please go through that and solve the questions and ask the doubts. That is what. Sujay, we have done.
Yes, sir.
We have solved like multiple questions related to the topic. I have given worksheet as well. Please do solve. So for 9th standard, that is more than enough. Yeah, again, you will be getting probability in 10th standard, again 11th standard and 12th standard. 3 more years have to come for learning probability. Every year you will learn somewhat in advanced way. All right. Yes. Mohit and Piyush, you can rise. You can down your hands.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
can you? Sir, after the syllabus is completed, can you teach advanced concepts like arithmetic progression, calculus, and vectors?
Everything will come in the 10th standard. Everything will come in the 10th standard. Need not worry. Yes, definitely will go. Why not? Everything
you,
will
sir.
come. Everything will come, man. Why you are like, worrying much? Whatever you have, just learn. For suppose you have probability now, learn advance from that. You understand what I'm trying to say? Why you are
Yes,
going
sir.
like, you understand my point? Probability, I'm saying that probability will come in 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So you learn 10th standard now itself. You just go ahead with that. You understand?
Okay,
First of
sir.
all, let's say that progressions you have. Progression again you will get in 10th standard. All right. So learn that progressions now itself. You learn and ask the doubts. So which
Okay,
means like,
sir.
if you are asking me to explain the entire topic to everyone, it's not possible. Why? Because so everyone like, will not understand that. Everyone, in everyone's requirement is not the same here. The common requirement is what here? To finish the syllabus of 9th standard. All right, that is a common requirement. So we'll stick to that. And for getting into advanced, you just go ahead, come to me. I'll definitely explain whatever the doubt you have. You understand, Bhargav?
Yes, sir.
Hope I clear. Yes, constructions. Shall we go for the constructions now? Construction is a very simple topic where you have to get the geometry box for that. Geometry box means I will not be showing you by using geometry. Actually, 1 second. I have couple of things for that. Actually, I mean, like, we can actually do from online. Actually, I mean, like, you have a website. From that we can draw, we can use like compass and whatever the geometry equipment we have, we can use from that website. So let's go ahead with that, and let's check it out what exactly we need to learn from your CBSE. You understand what we must learn from construction lesson. All right, construction will be very easy actually. See, construction you can write in your own language. Construction is like you can write everything in your own language. 1 second, let me show it to you. Second term, class 9, right? Guys, are you here? Can you see the screen? No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Look at this here. So construction of a bisector of line segments and angles of measure 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, etc. Okay. And equilateral triangles. Construct of a triangle given its base, some difference of the other two sides and one base angle. All right. Construction of bisectors. Construction of bisectors of line segments and angles of measure with a 60, 90, 30, 45, whatever. All right. So this is a syllabus which you need to go for. Okay. We'll just let me open that. Chalo. Guys, what do you mean by construction actually? Anyone of you?
So drawn geometrical figures.
Yes.
So building?
Oh, building. Interesting. Building means like, not that, a building construction here. Construction in mathematics.
So drawing the structure of any any building or like a bridge or something.
Absolute,
Plane
absolute.
figure
So can we
drawing,
say
like a
designing? So can we say
plane
designing?
figure or something.
Exactly. Construction means like, designing something. Exactly. All right. Isn't it? So basically by using compass, by using ruler, by using like, protractor, like protractor will be will be drawing all the, stuff, geometrical figures. You might be you might have heard about what exactly the geometrical figures all about. Geometrical figures means what? What are geometric circles,
Square, parallel.
square, rectangle, all quadrilaterals, I would say, isn't it? Drawing those sort of things by using the geometrical equipment. All right. Yes. So basically we'll just go with the basic constructions. After that, construction of triangle. After that, like, yeah, how to, like, you have a syllabus, right? Look at this. You have bisector of the line segment. Bisector of the line segment. We'll just go with that. Okay. Bisecting means what? What do you mean by bisecting?
So making into two equal parts.
Making into two equal
Yes.
parts. Exactly. Look at this. constructions. All right. So everyone, first, like, let me just straight away go with the notes. Look at this here. For constructing, everyone, very, very important, guys. Everyone should write this. For constructing, every point is very important. Everyone should read that and understand. These points will help you to draw the geometrical figures with accurate, with accuracy, with proper measurements. All right, you can't take, everyone can draw. If I ask you to draw a triangle, if I ask you to draw a circle with 3 radius, I'm asking you to draw a radius with a 3 centimeter, then everyone will draw a simple circle. So this is a radius with a 3 centimeter circle. Draw with a proper thing, man. That is what very important. All right, many of you simply draw. All right. All right. For constructing, the angle bisector of angle ABC, take B as a center, construct an arc intersecting the rays BA and guys, look at this.
Sir, can you show what you have written once again, sir? I was writing.
Just a minute, Ananya. Just a minute. Let me show it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Oh. D and E.
So, but the diagram is a circle or a like, what's the shapes
No,
actually?
I'll see. Look at this here. Sir, look at this. I'll show angle bisector of an angle ABC takes B as a center. Construct an arc intersecting the rays. I'm talking about rays. Then what do you think here? Will it be a circle?
Okay, sir. No, sir.
No. So wait a minute. I'll show it to you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now take. I'm just giving an the data. You by the help of that you have to you just try to draw the diagram. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now take E and D as centers and radius more than half DE construct arcs such that they intersect with at F. All right. So look at this here. For constructing angle bisector. What is our concept now? We are just talking about, look at this here, bisector of line segment, right? So that is what we are talking about. Look at this concept for constructing an angle bisector of angle ABC. Look at this. First, we'll take some angle like this. Guys, I can't use the equipment here since I don't have that. So yeah, I'll just find it out, some website to use the geometrical figures and show it to you. Okay, so this angle ABC, let's say that what he has given, just use whatever the data I have given for drawing the figure actually. Okay, so for constructing angle bisector of angle ABC, take B as a center. I took B as a center. Construct an arc intersecting rays BA, intersecting BA and BC at D and E. Okay, so BA intersecting BE what at E. This is my E point. This is my D point. All right. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Whatever I wrote in the first point, I just represented in terms of figure. So after that, now take E and D as a center. Okay, D and E as a center. Listen to me carefully. 1 second. Let me use some other color. Yeah. So take E and D as a center and radius more than half of D. Half of D. Construct arcs such that they intersect with each other at F point. Let's see. So what he has given. So take more, radius more than half of the D. This is my D. Whatever the thing you have, take more than half. Take more than half. I'm taking here, and put a your compass here. Draw an arc here. Put a compass here. Draw an arc here. Are you getting my point here, people? Hello. How do you draw this arc?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Keeping your needle, keeping that needle of your compass, draw an arc from the same point. From this, I'm drawing an arc. They're intersecting here, right? So now if I join this, so look at this. Oh, I cannot draw accurately. Why? Because okay, so this is how they'll. Okay, 1 second. This is my intersecting point here, right? Okay, if I join, so that is what I get. This is what my F point. If I just extend this, I got intersection point, right? Give that name as what? F. Isn't it easy thing? Whatever I have done there, I just simply represent it in the diagram. Clear? What I have done here? What I have done? See, guys, I just drawn this figure by the help of the given data. Whatever the data I have given, that is every time you will not be given this type of data to draw the figure. You understand, beta? So simply they'll be giving you the measurements, and you have, by the help of that measurement, they'll ask you to draw the angle bisector, and just you have to draw the diagram. Whatever the diagram you have drawn, you have to just write the construction part of that. What you have done first, I have drawn like BC first with the B as a center, and construct an arc intersecting the rays BA and BC at a D and E. After that I have done. After that, now what I have done, E and D as a center by the help of center. I'm taking more than half radius, drawing an arc, and drawing an arc from E and D both, and I'm just getting an intersecting point that I'm giving as F. That is 1 point. You can write in your own language actually. All right. So after that, what I have done, I have joined BF. I have joined BF. All right. Now look at this here. Now what is this is my required angle bisector of the angle ABC. This is what my angle bisector of ABC. This is my angle bisector of the given angle ABC. Clear? So yes, if you observe this properly, how you can say that? How you can say that? Can we prove this? What is the proof of this? By using triangles concept. So look at this here. I have joined EF here and DF. So look at this here. If you observe the properly, look at this, guys. If you observe properly, now look at this triangle, shaded part. This triangle. Can you see this triangle here? BEF triangle. Children, can you see the BEF triangle here?
Yes, sir.
From triangle BEF, and I have BDF also. I have two triangles here, BEF and BDF. So here, now can I say here BD is equal to BE? Why, tell me?
So because we took the same radius while cutting the arcs.
Yes, because we took the same radius. Radius, this look at this. These are the what? Radius of the same arc, BE and BD. This arc, right? Those are the radius of the both arcs, right? I mean, those are the radius of the same arc. So what? This is what? An arc. I mean, you write a radius of the same arc. All right. Now I would say that DE here, DE is equal to EF. Not DE, DF, not DE, DF. DF is equal to EF. DF is equal to EF. Why?
So here also the arcs were the same.
Arcs of what? Arcs of what? These are arcs
Same
of
radius.
equal radius or same radius. Equal radiuses. You can't say radiuses, radii. There is a plural form of radius. All right, guys. Here radii means, don't think that there's a different name. Radius is a single one. Radii is a plural form of the radius. All right. Yes. And what is a common thing from both the triangles? BF is equal to common side. Common side of both the triangles. Both the triangles. All right. Clear?
Yes.
Now look at this here. If by we have done with the things, right? So by looking at this data, what congruence property I can use and what a CPCT rule I can. I mean, like what congruence property I can use here? Tell me.
Sir,
Triple S, sir.
Triple S.
Side,
Very
side,
simple.
side.
Very simple. By using what?
Triple S.
SSS congruence.
Yes, by using SSS congruence. Look at this. BEF. BEF. Can I say now? Therefore, by using, by using congruence, rule, by using triple S congruence rule, we can say that triangle BEF is similar to triangle BDF. Guys, this is a symbol of what? Similar. If I write this is a congruence. So simply if you are writing, that is wrong actually. This is the right way to represent a congruence. All right, clear?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Guys, whenever you are writing congruence, whenever you are saying two triangles are congruent, okay, you must use this symbol. Okay, simply if you are writing to this triangle is this triangle snake and this triangle, if you say this, so these are wrong. You can't read that as a snake. Okay, you can read that as a BF triangle is similar to the triangle. And if I similar, this similar and this is a equal symbol, similar and equal, that is what gives you congruence. Congruence meaning is what? If two triangles are equal and similar in everything. Look at this here, similar and equal in terms of their length, size, everything, angles, everything. Then only I can say the congruence. Congruence is nothing but should be equal and similar in terms of their length, of their sides, angles, and everything. Hope it is clear. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
therefore, I can say that by using CPCT, these two triangles are equal. Okay. All right. So this is how I can just do here. And what he has asked us to do here, he has asked us to angle bisect, frame an angle bisector. Look at here. Angle bisector. Angle bisector is nothing but what? Making into equal parts, right? So the BEF triangle is equal to BDF triangle, which means that particular BF is there, right? The BF is a common side. BF is a common side of the ray BF. this ray BF is dividing both the triangles in a equal things. I mean, like in equal sizes, I would say. So that is the reason I just proved this. Sir, you are like, we are constructing something and we are using triangles concept. What is the point of using triangle concept here? See, there is a point to use a triangle concept. What is the reason behind using triangles concept here? The reason behind is what I asked you to do. I
You have
asked
to
you
prove
to
that BF is a
yes,
bisector of.
yes, BF is a common thing, which means it is like, BF is a common thing. So because of that, it is an angle bisector, right? Because of like it is an angle bisector. Angle bisector is nothing but what? That divides two triangles or two parts in equal ways. All right, that divides into equal parts. So that is the reason. So I'm saying that these two are equal. Okay, clear? Hope it is
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Chalo. Now, I'll give a simple question here. Let us talk about a simple example. Simple example. One second. Or before getting the example, I'll just teach you one more thing. 1 second. Just a minute.
Let me give a question. Yes, sir, you can take it. Yeah, sure. Okay, fine. Guys, look at this here. Next, the topic concept is perpendicular bisector. What do you mean by perpendicular bisector, any one of you?
So the line that bisect a line at perpendicular.
The
Yeah.
bisector which is perpendicular.
Sir, 8.
The bisector which is 90 degrees from the line which we have drawn or the object.
Also a line that bisects a line at a right angle.
Yeah, look at this. For drawing that,
So that's not in the younger classes.
listen to me carefully here. So I have drawn some like line segment AB, and you took compass. Let's say that you have this length, some 6 centimeter. Okay, fine. Let's say 6 centimeter. Let us know. Take a minute. I'm not able to draw this properly. Okay. Look at this, beta. Here you have a, you have a point, right? Let's say this 8 centimeter. What you have to do, 8 centimeter means what? More than half is like, let's say that AB length is what? 8 centimeters. More than half means somewhere you take 4.5 or 5 you take length. Okay. Put your compass here or here. Take more than half. Let me take till here. Okay. This is more than half, right? Guys, are you able to understand? I'm taking more than half length, from the B, with the reference of B, I have drawn an arc here and arc here. Clear? With the same length, without disturbing that length of that compass, whichever you took on ruler on scale, the same length from the reference A, just join this arc, cut these arcs. All right, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now see, here we are not just getting the proper length and all, but if you use the exact, if you use a ruler, if you use the compass and everything properly, look at it here. If you just join this, I just got 2 points here, right? 2 dots. Here one intersection point and here one intersection point. So what I have to do now, if you join these
Sir,
two,
the length of the compass which we are making should be 4.5, right?
there is no compulsion that there should be a 4.5. Take more than half. It is 8, right? You take whatever you want. Like, you can't take 8 out of 8. Yeah, you can take, but like, you'll get very big things. Just to take 4 means, like, half is what? What is the half of the AP length? 4, right? To take 4.5
Yes,
5. Koi problem nahi hoga, okay? All right, take 5 to look the diagram neatly and with easily understandable.
from left and from right side.
Sorry.
So from the left side and the
Anywhere,
right
man,
side.
anywhere. This is AB, right? From, if you take, look at this AB here. All right. From, if you take from here or here, would it make would it make a sense here? No. Anything is right only, right? From this
Yes,
8,
sir.
man. Any
Yes.
8 you can take from left or right, anywhere. I just took
Yes,
from
understood.
right for anything you can take from left or right. Either left or right you can take it. So what I took here, 4.5 or 5 I took from with the reference of B or with the reference of A. I have just drawn two curves. I mean arcs. I joined both the points. If you take a scale again, measure, this will be 4 centimeter, this will be 4 centimeter. Exactly. All right. Definitely. This will be perpendicular. This will be 90 degrees. This is a basic concept of perpendicular bisector. This is a perpendicular which is bisecting the line AB at equal parts, like 4, 4. Okay. Next. All right. Next, we'll talk about angle bisector. All right. Angle bisector, just now we have seen. Guys, any doubt in perpendicular bisector, drawing perpendicular bisector?
No, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
No, sir.
Okay. Just now have seen angle bisector. I just explained you thoroughly that.
Sir, should we need to know the proof for the perpendicular bisector?
No. It is not like that. It is proof. I just shown you. There is no, believe me, in no competitive exam, in none of the competitive exam has been asked, how did you prove that? Can you prove that? No one will ask you. Competitive exam is all about how you are solving and how you are getting the answer. That is all about how you are getting the answer. You should know the concept behind that, but proof, not compulsion at all. No compulsion at all. But see, here I just shown you by using triangles concept. I have shown you, yes, BF is dividing in equal parts. Okay, what is a proof? Proof क्या होता है? देखो, proof मतलब like I used triangles concept to prove that. Here you use a scale and just measure it. That is a proof, isn't it, Ananya? If you want a simple and clean proof, take a see, before what you do, before drawing anything, before using scale, you use a scale for measuring this AB. I have given 8. Okay, which means what? Perpendicular bisector means exactly divides from the middle. So which means it should be 4 and 4. After drawing this process, after drawing the curves, you measure with the scale. If you are getting 4 out of 4, I mean, if you are getting 4 exactly on either of the sides, then you have done with your proof. You have done with your job rightly.
Okay, sir. Yes,
okay?
understood.
That is how you can just simply check it out. Proof is nothing but what? Whether we are able to check it out or not. Whether we have done whatever we have done is correct or not. It's a kind of verification. All right.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. So angular bisector is also same action. So angular bisector, what I have done? For angular bisector, what I have done? What I have done? Tell me.
Sir, first you took the same radius and made an arc cutting through rays BA and BC. Those.
I didn't get you. Can you please come back again?
Yes, so you drew an arc cutting through ray BA and BC. And those 2 points we named them as BE.
How did I draw that curve? Can you please tell me?
Sir, the arc, you have to take a radius and the center should be B. And then you have to draw the arc using the compass.
Look at this. This arc I have drawn, beta. Look at this. This arc is the red ED arc. ED arc is the red ED arc. that, at that I have drawn with the reference of B as a center. From the center, I just opened my compass somewhat. You can open somewhat, like, where it looks very sensible. Okay, you can't open the entire compass and draw, your center is here, you can't draw an arc like this. It is not like, it won't look good actually. It is correct only, but it won't look good. So take somewhat like open your compass somewhat and draw an arc like this. All right, from E, again you take one more arc. From D, again you take one more arc. That's how I have done. Very simple, isn't it? Hope it is clear. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
No doubt,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Very simple.
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Guys, you should not change any length here. You have to use the same length. Whatever the length you have taken, whatever the radius you have taken from the B to draw that arc. One second. To draw that arc, the same radius, with the help of same radius, you have to draw an arc from point E and point D. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Getting my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the radius you have taken with the same radius. Okay? Whatever the radius you have taken from the B, same radius you have to use for drawing.
I
the-
didn't understand how you formed E and D.
Huh?
How
A
did
and
you
D.
get E and D? Yeah.
Where A and D? Which one A and D?
So points E and D.
Point C and D. D is here, man. Look at this here. I have drawn, look at this here. For making an angle, I have just drawn these two lines like this with a center B. I have given A and C here. Till this you understood?
Yes, sir.
So I took this center, I opened my compass somewhat. Then koncham open chesan, like, somewhat I opened. Let's say like 1 inch I opened. Okay, 1 inch. So I just drawn as a center, I just drawn this arc. All right, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, whatever the length, whatever the radius I have taken here, this is a radius, right? If you just look at this,
Yeah, sir. For the
there's a radius. Radius, right? With the same radius, look at this here. I just took this as a center. I have drawn an arc here, one more arc. With the reference of this center again, I have drawn one more arc. I have drawn this.
Okay, understood, sir.
That's how I have drawn there. Clear? Okay, people.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what, children. So I'll be publishing your result today, and next class we'll go with questions, and we'll go with one more concept is there, how to draw the triangle from that. And after that, I'll just show you how simply we can, without using your, protractor, how can you draw the 15 angle and 30 degrees angle, like 60 degrees angle, 90 degrees angle. I'll show that. Okay, same concept. If you know the bisector, angle bisector, angle bisector concept, you can write very easily actually. Same concept.
Yes.
Very simple. If you just know what we have done, angle bisector. Same thing. If you take from the 90 degrees, take an arc with the same arc again, just one more arc from that arc again, one more arc. If you draw so, like you will just able to understand very easily. Actually, I'll show you very simply. For understanding that, this is a very important. This is a very important concept to understand. Angle bisector. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye. Have a nice
Sir,
day.
could you draw a
Thank you, sir.
quadrilateral with the compass?
Sorry.
Yes.
You can. Yes, of course. Yes. Why not? You can make an arc on the four of the sides by.
We
you
can,
draw it.
sir. Like, I want to draw it. So I have a bit of confusion. So
No problem. In the next class we'll draw. So I have next class right now. In next class I'll make. Guys, look at this
Yes,
here. Hania, you do one thing.
yeah.
Take a compass. You try today and send the picture to me in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Thank
Send
you,
the
sir.
picture to me in WhatsApp. You try it today. Okay.
Okay,
Send the picture. If however you get, even you get like like in a very bad and nasty, you can send me. No problem. All right.
Okay, sir.
Completely fine. All right. Thank you. And
Thank
show
you,
it to me. I'll just based upon that. I'll just I can suggest you for the next class.
Okay,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Goodbye.
you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.